Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a frozen or black screen on your PS5. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that for some reason your screen on your PS5 is frozen or that there's a black screen. How do you actually go ahead and fix it? Now I recently ran into this issue, guys, and the first things first is the most obvious. If you think your screen is frozen, please make sure that your remote control or controller is actually connected. That's the first thing. Now, if it actually is frozen, what we're going to do is a force restart. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is head on over to your PS5, and then you want to find the power button. You want to press it once until it beeps, and then continue holding the power button. So I'll press it once, it's going to beep, and then there's a second beep, and there you have it. Now our PS5 is preparing to turn off. So that should go ahead and force restart your PS5. So afterwards, all you want to do is press it once again to turn it on, and we'll turn it on after it's booting down. So now that it's off, we'll turn it back on, and there you go. There you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix a frozen or black screen on your PS5. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.